All right, but then here's another thing added to this graph is this red line, and this stands for IRs for insulin resistance with CHO intolerance, carbohydrate intolerance. So when you eat the fat, along with the carbohydrates, the fat gets into the skeletal muscle first, and it causes insulin resistance, especially, SAT fat, for example, inhibiting complex 3 of intermitochondrial membrane electron transport chain. And that then sends a signal to the plasma membrane of the skeletal muscle cell. Do not take up any more nutrients. We are overwhelmed as it is. So the glucose type 4 transporters don't go up to the plasma membrane, and thus the blood glucose can't get into the skeletal muscle cells where normally it should primarily go after eating a meal. So you have prolonged, sustained high blood glucose, hyperglycemia. That's insulin resistance. That's diabetes. What I'm basically saying here is you eat the starch, you come out of it good. If you drink soda pop and these sweetened processed foods, you end up with rebound hypoglycemia that leads to obesity and all kinds of problems. You're screwed. Okay, if you eat high-fat meals, you'll end up with a lot of insulin resistance, and you're not going to do well in the long run going down that path.